it's popping. You see that? Meron, nag-explode. Oh, it's exploding! It's exploding! Hoy, ayun! You see that? It's exploding. Habang nagsasalita, yun, may usok! It's funny! I was waiting for this. So this is actually Pellionia Repens. Sometimes they call it watermelon or trailing watermelon begonia, but it's not a begonia at all. So remember that. Mas kapamilya pa niya yung mga pilea, mga ganon. Okay? So let's talk about this. Let's talk about the watering, the soil, and the light requirements of this plant. Hi mga garden, so this is Jardinerang Nanay once again. Welcome to our home, our garden. We believe that all plants grow with love. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, oh well, mag-subscribe na, mag-like, mag-comment, share, and click the notification bell for more home gardening tips and vlogs from Jardinerang Nanay or HNTV Baguio. So for today, we are going to talk about this plant. This is a beautiful plant. Ang characteristic nito, actually the pollens, when they open, hindi ko siya natatimingan, hindi ko siya natsambahan na mag-pop. So actually the pollens, when they open, when the flowers will bloom, the pollens are, smoking like that. So nagpa-pop siya. It looks like nagpa-pop siya, and then there's the powder coming out. Alright? So sometimes this plant is called the volcano plant because of that characteristics, that as if the pollens are exploding like that. So this is actually Pellionia Repens. Sometimes they call it watermelon or trailing watermelon begonia, but it's not a begonia at all. So remember that. As kapamilya pa niya yung mga pilea, mga ganon. Okay? So let's talk about this. Let's talk about the watering, the soil, and the light requirements of this plant. So when it comes to watering, always remember that watering depends on the sunlight exposure. So the sunlight or the light requirement of this plant is bright indirect light. So they like a humid environment. So if you are making it indoors, you can place them in your bathrooms like that. And then also increase the watering during the growing season. Like the growing season is summer. Okay, and the dormant season will be, or the slow growing season is the winter in some countries, and here in the Philippines it is the rainy season. So as I said a while ago, during summer or the growing season of this plant, you increase the watering like once a week is good, because they are placed naman sa bright and direct light. So once a week is good. Oh, it's popping. You see that? Meron, nag-explode. Oh, it's exploding! It's exploding! Hoy, ayun! You see that? It's exploding. Habang nagsasalita, yun, may usok! It's funny! I was waiting for this. Sige, habang nag-explode siya, we're going to oh, they're exploding talaga siya. Umuusok. Diba? It's amazing. Ngayon ko lang to nakita as in sa personal. Lagi ko lang nakikita sa videos sa YouTube or sa Facebook. Pinupost nila. So ito. Ay, ang swerte ko naman. Ayun. So habang nag-e-explode siya dyan, magdi-discuss tayo dito. Amazing, no? So, Ang galing naman ng creator ng plant na ito. Ang galing, ang galing. It always amazes you yung mga plants mo. They have different characteristics. O, diba? Nag-explode siya. Anyway, hayaan nyo lang siya mag-explode dyan. Oh, no wonder na tinatawag itong volcano plant. It's amazing. So, yun naman. So, di ko maituloy-tuloy. Okay, tutuloy natin. So, sabi ko nga kanina that watering, nadidistract talaga ako dun sa smoke niya. So, sige, seriously, tutuloy na natin. So, when it comes to watering, we have to remember that there are 2 seasons, okay, of the plants. Meron growing season, that is summer, and then slow growing or dormant season, that is the winter sa other countries, and then rainy season sa atin dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, when it comes to this plant, Pellionia, increase your watering in growing season. Okay, so that will be once a week or twice a week, but usually once a week is fine. You just have to observe, okay? Sometimes once a week, sometimes twice a week. And then sa dormant season or slow growing season, sa rainy season dito sa Pilipinas, actually, I water mine once a month. Okay, you just have to observe, or you can water it every 2 weeks or once a month. Okay, so alalahanin natin that overwatering is not good for plants, because overwatering is the #1 killer of all plants. Okay, it's a beautiful plant. Cute yung mga flowers niya, pero when it pops, ang ganda. Na-amaze ka lang talaga. It's my first time to see this. Nachamba pa talaga sa vlog ko. Thank you naman. So, yun. Ayun pala, pag nag-o-open yung mga flowers na, when the flowers opened, it pops the, the pollens. So, yun. It looks like a dust. Yun, oh. Pag nag-o-open siya. So, I think, yun. Diba? Galing eh. We're going to move to the next one. It's the soil. Okay. So, we have here the soil mix that we're going to use. We have 20% of rice hull, carbonized. And then 20% of cow manure, well composted, and the rest it will be composted of the composted leaves, and then of the alnos tree leaves and some ferns. This is found on the forest floor. Ito binibenta sa mga orchidarium shops and other nurseries here in Baguio. And we have here composted leaves with the black soil already. So let's plant. Okay, when we propagate this plant, just pick it up, and there we go. And then you plant it, and then you water it after 2 to 3 days. Okay, let that wound first heal before you water. Okay, you can use some root growers, but I have here propagations that I did not use any root growers. Here, I have them here. This is what we're going to transplant today. See, they are very healthy. They like the bright, indirect light. My plants are under a greenhouse with the plastic cover and net cover. So they like that very humid condition. Okay, so let's plant. I have another one here. So see, they like the soil. Okay, they like the soil. This soil is the same soil that we use with some coco peat. if you want to add some coco peat, it's okay. Around the 20% to 30% of coco peat is fine. So we just have to uproot this one and then transfer. Okay, see, these are the cuttings before. So now they are rooted, they are ready to be transplanted. Okay, there. So that's it, mga Karden. Thank you for watching Asian TV Baguio, our home, our garden. We believe that all plants grow with love. Do subscribe. Ti anog kabasan mo. God bless us all. Thank you.